tell us where we're going. Where are we going right now?
I'm in the merry-go-round.
The merry-go-round?
Yeah.
Is that your first time?
Yeah.
What kind of a merry-go-round is it?
Christmas one.
A Christmas one? What are you going to get on? Does it move or not?
Yeah.
How does it move?
It goes around.
Are you going to hold on tight?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I never let go of it.
And never let go? That's good.
I only let go with one hand. I say, ha-ha, then yell.
Yeah?
So,
Where's Mommy and Daddy right now?
I don't know.
What store are we in? Do you know?
No.
This is Old Navy. They're shopping and we're waiting, huh?
I'm looking at a lot of stuff.
Hey, Ashley, where do we live? Where do you live right now?
Snoqualmie.
In Snoqualmie? That's pretty close. And what state is it in? Is it Utah or Washington?
Utah.
You live in Utah right now?
Yeah.
No. You used to live in Utah. Where do you live now?
Seattle.
Seattle. That's pretty close, yeah. Good job. Where's the merry-go-round by?
Daddy's work.
That's by Daddy's work?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Oh, are you getting sick?
Yeah.
Nah? Where's Andrew?
Hey, silly.
Hey, Andrew.
Hey.
Say hi, bud.
Oh, cool.
Say hi. Are you being so sweet in your chair, huh? Did you go pee in the potty today?
Yeah.
Yeah? You did a good job, huh?
I did it. Do you see my hand?
I can see your hand. You're blocking Andrew's face.
Want me to do this one?
No. Say hi. Can you wave hi, Andrew?
Bye.
Bye. Can you tell us what else did you do today? Where are we going to go?
Where we go?
Merry-go-round?
Tina said merry-go, because you have
Yeah.
to say merry-go-round.
Yeah.
And if they say round, round.
Round.
They want to say merry-go-round.
Can you say Seattle?
You say
Who am I? Who's this?
It's Ben.
It's Jen. That's right, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's that.
Okay, well, wave bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later. Ashley, wave bye.